Hi loves, welcome to TT's Urban Pantry. We're in the kitchen once again and I am making up dinner. So I wanted to bring you along. The other day I canned some red beans and rice with sausage in it. And it was so good I couldn't wait to use it for dinner. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cooking up dinner. I have some chicken quarters in the oven, and I am also making some cabbage with the smoked sausage in it. And then I'm also going to put a little smoked sausage in the red beans and rice.
Thank you for watching TT's Urban Pantry. If you enjoyed this content or was able to learn anything from it, please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, have a wonderful and blessed day.